Oh, it's like getting in a wheelbarrow. Okay, so let's reverse all the way up and over. And 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Up and over. Let's reverse. Actually, this little thing's popping off, so let me show you. The ball's down in there. We're not going there. We're gonna try to do a spray-on bed liner. If not, we gotta wait till Monday for Linex. I think we should just wait till.
What, this guy isn't gonna do it?
What, the Rhino? It's gonna look like shit. I'm showing my eating a bagel. Alright, so yeah, that's the linkages down there. That's the bowl. Everything worked out really well. And if you're having a problem like this, this is what you do. You gotta make sure that you line everything up right, because what happens is, see that little spring going up and down, that little black thing down there going up and down? Let's see if we can focus in on that. That has to be just right to pop over. Try to show you so you can see there's a black thing down here. That's so you don't just fall into reverse when you're downshifting into first. You don't go into the wrong gear. So you have to lift up, then it has to go up on the top of that. So you have to make sure that you when you cut the bottom of the shaft, you have a little bit of it needs to come like up and over. So it needs to do that. Just watch the mechanism when you're doing it. You have to do, just take into account that you don't want to weld it too short, and then this won't go up high enough to get over that black piece, so you won't be able to get in reverse then. So, all right, hope that helps.